Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Popping it in. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to come with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. This also does come with the convenience package, which comes with auto dimming mirrors, garage door opener. Starting it up. We've got a rear view backup camera. A black matte ash wood trim. Hard keys for media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This CLA has 37,543 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.